Yo, what's up? Ivan's here, my motivational vlogs. Laging sinasabi ng mga tao, okay lang na maging mahirap. Money can't buy happiness daw. Pero ito yung totoo. Money can't buy happiness. But money can buy a lot of things that can make people happy. Meron nga tayong sinasabi na law of attraction. Kasi kung ano yung goals mo, kapag minatrack mo, possible na mangyari. Alam mo kung bakit? Ask me why. Meron sa buhay na tinatawag na law of universe. Kung ano kasi yung sinasabi mo, yun kasi yung magiging ikaw. Karamihan ngayon sa mga tao ang sinasabi nila, okay lang na maghirap ako. Kapag sinabi mo wala kang pera, tingnan mo, kinabukasan wala kang pera. Pero kapag sinabi mo na magkakaroon ka ng pera or meron kang pera, possible kinabukasan meron ka. If you think negative, you attract negativity. If you think positive, you attract positivity. Because your thoughts becomes your word. Then your words becomes your action. Then your action becomes your reality. For more videos like this, please follow Ivan's Motivational Vlogs. Yun lang po. Bye-bye. Paalam.